In this video, I'm going to show you how to lock Snapchat on your iPhone. So if you want to go and lock the Snapchat application so it requires either your Face ID or passcode to access it, then the first thing we need to do is just head over to the settings on your iPhone, click on General from the list and select Software Update. Now just ensure you're running the latest version of iOS, and if you're fully up to date here, we can head back over to the home screen. Now from the home screen, just go and locate the Snapchat application. So here is mine on the screen now. And what we need to do is hold down on the Snapchat application and select Require Face ID. Now you can choose to either just require Face ID, or we can also select Hide and Require Face ID. And what that will do is put Snapchat into its own hidden folder on your iPhone. I'm just going to click on Require Face ID, and then you'll need to scan your phone's Face ID. And now every time you go and click on the Snapchat application, you can see now it will say Face ID required to access this application. So it's as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.